What's going on, guys? It's Daniel here, and I know I haven't posted in a while, but you can probably guess where I am right now. I'm at Sydney Dragway. We're actually going to be racing Lynn today. We're pretty much going to do basically a baseline test to see what it's going to run. Obviously, the rims are not on there, so this is pretty much to see what it runs and what improvements we can make in the future. If you're new to the channel, guys, this is my RZ Supra, basically stock with exhaust, intercooler and a tune. A little bit nervous because I've never ran this car before, so we'll see how we go, and fingers crossed she hooks and see what time she runs. I'm guessing probably a 13.5, 13.8 maybe. And as always, hello guys, how are you?
Good night.
Yeah, so as usual, I just thought I haven't run yet. Because I was doing this stuff. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah? Just a tad. Should I put the tyre pressures down, Uncle, or not?
Yeah, put it down. I'll bring the magic tool in case we need it.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, laptop.
Yep.
In his girly pink bag.
Yeah, in my girl bag.
Hey, it's not a Woolies bag.
Yep. Yeah. I'll run, maybe go to 22.
So what do we run now, just to see what it's going to... Just run it as it is now and see what it does, or...?
That depends how it hooks up out there. So a good gauge is about the 26. Go down first to 26, and then see how it hooks up out there. Because you got road tyres, you don't have real tyres.
Well, you look so hot in that.
Thank you. What's this? This guy.
It's for your ears. For anyone asking, they're just Achilles straight tyres.
Yeah, girly tyres after I call it.
That's even if it gets traction.
Mate, get a real one.
Rubbish.
37. How to use this thing? Tire gauge is 37.
37. Wow.
Remember, you got to drive it home too, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I've gone down to as low as 18.
On your car? Holy crap.
Yeah, but it gets a bit funny at the top end. The arse end's a little bit wobbly.
Yeah, I can imagine it's been sliding all over the joint. I wish my dad had an R33.
How good is it? Series 2. I wish his dad had a 33.
His dad drives a 35 instead. So what, you got knock, boost, water temp, air temp.
So Peyton's just gonna change the hand controller display unit. And what are you gonna change it to, Uncle?
So we're gonna log your speed and what gear you shift at, or what RPM you shift at. That's it.
So easy.
Yeah, when you come back, don't turn it off.
Yep.
I'll come and turn it off.
So I think this will be a good baseline to see how we can improve on it, and what a difference will make when we get some good meaty tyres and suspension and more power later on down the track.
I'll just give me a VL turbo. Thanks, mate.
You're right, bro. Alright guys, so our lane is moving now. This is it. Hopefully I don't miss any gears. And we have some fun. Been waiting a long time for this.
Something like love. It's like what you feel for that stray dog, I guess. You know, eventually it might turn. Yeah, I've called the road.
tramping bog. Oh, what a adrenaline rush. I got State of Origin playing. I reckon a 13.5. Thank you. Well, there you go, 13.6. 13.6.
2.1, 60 foot. That's good. 107 mile an hour.
Yep. So we just got to drop it down.
That.
Yeah, heaps. I'm doing the burnout. I'm like, oh, traction control's on.
Oh, dear.
So I slipped I took it off halfway through. But all right, you going back or not? That's it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna wait again.
So what are you getting, Uncle?
What I'm getting, everything's good. So far, so good.
Yeah. So I noticed straight off the bat when I took off it, I bogged it. So that was at about 3.5.
I think you let the clutch out too soon, and you didn't ride it enough.
Yep.
Yeah. So you bogged it, you sat there, and then you went and you got going again.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, we'll practice on the launch, and then second gear it actually tramped a bit, so I just backed off for like a split second, and then was back on it. Oh well.
Yeah, but it looks very slippery out there.
Yeah.
Because everybody, I'm watching everybody, and everybody's sliding. What's his name? It just sat there and spun.
Who?
Aaron. He didn't even move.
Yeah.
He took off and he just sat there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well, that was good.
Learning curve, keep going. Yeah.
So there you go, guys, we're going to call it a night. First time so far, 13.4. Had massive axle tramp. So I'll go back home and have a look at the footage tomorrow afternoon. Well, it is what it is. It's all about having fun. Just gotta learn on that launch and just make sure I ride that clutch properly. I think I just get too overexcited and just bang, dropping the clutch.
Not on like this, but seeing on camera it comes out big.
Dorian just ran a 9.9.
Yeah.
And the car's dead stock. Look at it. Stock, mate. No single. Twins, mate.